Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I am gonna give you 5 reasons that why Python is not going to be the language of the future and it is going to be replaced by another language within 10 years. So without wasting any more time, let's get into the video. So guys, before I talk about the cons of the Python programming language, I want to tell you why Python became one of the most famous programming language in the past few years. The first reason is Python is simple and easy to use. Beginners love to program in Python and they don't have any problems while understanding the syntax of the program. So it is a very beneficial thing for the beginners. The second reason is extensive libraries. Yes guys, Python supports a large amount of libraries. Like if you want to make games, there is a library Pygame. If you want to make GUI application, there is a library Tkinter. If you want to make web applications, there are basically two libraries for web development that I know. The first is Flask and the second one is very famous, which is called as Django. Now also, how can I forget about it, like Python is also used with machine learning, so there are many machine learning libraries like Keras and Google TensorFlow. Now we have talked about the advantages of the Python. Let's move on to the disadvantage. And the first and the major disadvantage of Python programming language is its speed. Yes guys, Python programming language is very slow. You might not feel it by yourself, but Python is very slow. It does not come even near to C language or C++. So it is very slow, and the reason behind the language being very slow is that you might know that Python is a dynamically typed language. So what happens in dynamically typed language, compiler has to interpret everything by itself, so it has to determine whether the variable is an integer variable or whether the variable is a float variable, or similarly. The second reason is mobile development. Python is not very good for mobile development. Like you can create mobile apps, Android apps with Java, or there is a new language called Kotlin, and you can make iOS apps with Swift language. But with Python you can make mobile applications, but they are not as good as other applications that are made with Java or Kotlin. So that is the second reason. So the third reason is memory consumption, and Python is not very efficient, like memory efficient at all. One of the reason that I want to tell you is that as I told you that Python is a dynamically typed language. So what happens is that you don't have to provide choice of the variable, okay, but Python has to keep some track, like which variable belongs to which variables belong to which data type. It has to keep a track. So that takes extra memory, and it is not a very uh, what do we say, it is not a very memory efficient technique, and there are also many other techniques because of which Python becomes a very non-efficient programming language. So the fourth limitation is database access, and Python is not very good when we talk about database access when it is compared to its counterparts like JDBC or ODBC, and it provides very low functionality when it is compared to its counterpart. So it is one of the main disadvantages of Python that it does not support very good database access. So the fifth reason is runtime errors, and guys, because Python is dynamically typed language, it has to do much more testing when it is compared to C language or C++ or Java. And what happens is that Python is interpreted, not compiled. So Python errors only comes up on the runtime because it is an interpreted language, not a compiled language. So guys, these were the 5 reasons that I think that Python is not going to be the language of the future. And if you want to take an example that like which language is going to overtake Python, you can take Julia, and Julia is a very fast language. Sometimes it is even faster than C language. And you might not feel like Python is slow, but when you are doing mathematical operations, like complex mathematical operations, which is basically machine learning. So if you are doing machine learning task, then Python is very slow. So that's why Python is going to be replaced with any language. It could be Julia or it could be some new language. So guys, if you did like the video, then don't forget to hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel and show me the support. Thank you.